Hi Ink Club! Today we are making a skeleton family Halloween costume. This turned out better than I could have imagined. You only need a few materials to create this project, making it one of the easiest DIY Halloween costumes out there. By the way, if you're looking for the digital files, this is part of our Ink Club bundle for October 2022. If you're past that date, please go to carinagardner.com for past bundles. Begin by cutting out your pieces on your Silhouette or Cricut machine. I measured each of my shirts to see the maximum width that I wanted for each shirt. For the child's shirt, I was able to cut everything in one place. The two adult shirts I split in half so they could be larger than the 12-inch maximum of most cutting machines. I did adjust the length of the arm bones for each shirt, so keep that in mind. After cutting your pieces, begin by weeding away the excess material. This part goes fairly quickly since the cuts aren't too intricate or small. Preheat your iron according to the application instructions on your heat transfer packaging. My package says to use a cotton setting on your household iron, and it worked perfectly. After heating the iron, I ironed the entire shirt to get any wrinkles out. I normally don't do the sleeves, but it is necessary for this project since we are adding a design to them. Begin placing your pieces and adhering them one by one. This project comes together pretty quick. A fun detail is that I decided to embellish each skeleton. This is totally optional, but it'll be fun to add cute flowers to mine and bow ties to my husband's and son's. I love how this turned out. If you created your own skeleton costume, make sure to tag us at Carina Gardner Ink Club so that we can share. Happy Halloween!